Is it or isn't it a GDHO Phase 3? Vermilion fire, black trim. I'll give you a secret, it is a replica, but what a great replica it is. So let's dive in and have a look at it. Starting at the front, you've got the correct V8 radiator support. You've got 4V heads. You've got your auto light rev limiter. You've got your vacuum tank. Opening the bonnet, you definitely look like you're in a Phase 3. But it was Vermilion fire and black trim to start off with as a Falcon 500. On the inside, absolutely beautifully done. Really nice quality of everything. Hood lining, it's all redone. Even the clock, the second hand works on the clock. Rim blow steering wheel. You've got a working super fringe radio as well. Starting instructions, that's good, tells you how to turn the key. Not like in the modern car where you really have to work out how to do it. In the boot, absolutely beautifully detailed. Beautiful new boot mat, 36-gallon fuel tank, and you've got your Bathurst Globe tyre with your tie down. So if you're after a high quality XYGT Phase 3 replica, you cannot go past this car. You don't have to spend 2 years building it. Give Nick or Mike a call and we'll be glad to show you through this beautiful Phase 3 GDHO replica. Thank you for watching Australian Muscle Car TV.